And today I'm going to show you guys how to unlock an iPhone. And I am not cutting it out to really open the phone. I am not doing that. I am not that kind of person. I would never ever do that. See, so there's going to be no cuts on this. I'm not going to cut this at all. What the heck? Hey, go back! Yep, even if there's some bloopers. Alright, so what you have to do is go to Siri and say,
Interesting question, Superman.
Shut up. And, I keep on talking.
That's what I reckoned.
And say, you have to be like, you have to say, remind me? Let me show you guys. It's like, remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
To put chicken nuggets in microwave. I don't know.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Put in microwave. And boom. I did not cut that. See, all I gotta do is just click this. Oh, that was my bad. A quick press of a button. Hold that button. See.
Sorry.
Now my hand is away from that button. So just say, I'll put Siri, remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded.
To put chicken nuggets in the microwave.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Just press that. Just press that. What the heck? That. What do you ask for that? Remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
To take a shower.
Okay, I'll remind you.
It's not sucks, but
Delete this reminder. Okay.
Remind me. It works for some. It's super hard to look at this screen. Remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
Nothing.
Okay then.
Oh, I can't say nothing. Remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded.
To make a video.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Alright, let's do it another way. Siri, remind me in 7 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you. Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Or what? Alright, I'm gonna use the phone. Stop. Siri, remind me.
Hi, Superman. What can I do?
Remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded about.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, I'll remind you.
And it just does that. You press cancel. Well, bam. You're in the phone. But I guess you have to turn off the phone and keep it off for a while. And turn it back on. Do it that way. Remind me.
Okay, tell me what you want to be reminded of.
Coo coo coo.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Yeah, you have to. So there you guys go. I did not cut this video. Nothing was cutted in this video. And there you guys go. Leave a like and subscribe. And always remember, if you're not goat simulating, then you're not. You're showing. Alright, see you guys later. Peace. Why is I gonna turn off my phone?